Oh, hi.
Hello.
Welcome back to another vegan as fork recipe in the vegan as fork kitchen.
Oh.
I made this recipe for the first time yesterday and I absolutely fell in love with it. I only had one cucumber in the house. I immediately had to go out to the store and buy not one, but 5 cucumbers.
Oh my goodness.
So this is probably too much to fit in this bowl, but let's see how many we can get in there. But I'm going to be making all of them, and I'm going to like jar them up and keep them in the fridge because I am so in love with this recipe.
Yum, yum, yum.
So I guess we'll do one at a time. So let me get one of these cut up, at least on camera. So if you couldn't tell from the title, this is for smashed cucumber salad. And I didn't smash mine yesterday. And I just watched a video, and the reason why you smash it is to make all of these little holes in it or like surface area to get all of the flavor from the marinade into the cucumber. So I guess we'll just start off by smashing it. I've never done this before. So they use a cleaver. You could also use a meat tenderizer, a rolling pin, but you gotta smash it.
Oh my goodness. I was wondering why you were using a cleaver.
Yes. Oh, they go all over. Why is this cucumber so firm? It's not smashing.
Always getting upset.
I know, I'm sorry. Let me just get these in the bowl since they've already been smashed. Maybe if I just...
Press it?
No, these are really firm ass cucumbers. I don't feel good about this. How about I just do that?
Ooh, it smells so fresh.
It does.
Oh!
This is my kitchen and it is dangerous. Anyway, that's as smashed as it's gonna get. I'm gonna cut these like this. I mean, maybe if I use less firm cucumbers.
Maybe, I don't know.
But I was really whacking it, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And they were not yielding. But I'm gonna do the best I can.
Alright, and we'll come back and see how many got in there.
Well, no. First, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. We're gonna get all the cucumbers in the bowl. And then we're gonna give it a good coating of salt.
Mm-hmm.
Because you want a little bit of the water to come out of the cucumber salad because you don't want to dilute the marinade. So I'm going to get everything chopped up. Excuse me. Still getting over COVID.
Ugh.
And I'm just going to toss it with some salt and let that sit while we make the marinade. So come back. All right, I got all 5 cucumbers in the bowl.
Oh my goodness.
And it was messy. Cucumber guts everywhere.
Yeah.
I'm going to leave the link to the original video that I watched, but I've seen other people make this and everybody's is a little bit different. I'm not trying to be traditional here. I feel like this is one of those recipes where it's like, you do you. You put what you like in it and enjoy it. I remember growing up, going on vacation. We used to go up to Lake Placid. There was a hotel up there called the Homestead Inn. And that was the first time I ever had cucumber salad, but their version was very sweet. It had a lot of sugar in it. This version has a little bit of sugar in it, but it's not supposed to make it sweet. It's just supposed to balance the acidity. So I'm just going to grab my allulose syrup, just because it's convenient, not because that's like my sweetener of choice. I don't feel like digging out the cane sugar. So let's make the marinade for this while the salt is drawing out the moisture. This is the same thing you do when you make tzatziki. You salt your cucumber so that the moisture will come out of the cucumber and won't make your tzatziki soggy. Won't make it too...
Tzatziki?
Tzatziki, yeah, too liquidy. Also, I know all the boo birds in the comments are going to be like, you didn't use fresh garlic? No, because my garlic dried out because it's right in front of the freaking heater. So my garlic is a dried turd right now. So I'm going to be using garlic powder. So if you got a problem with that, I'm sorry. My garlic is a dried turd. I think this is infinitely better than a dried turd.
I think so.
All right, so I'm gonna. This is 5 cucumbers worth. You do you. I'm putting like a tablespoon of garlic powder in there. I'm also going to be using some beautiful toasted sesame rice vinegar.
Yum, yum, yum. Wait, bring that back. Okay. Wanted to make sure we got the focus on there.
I'm probably putting in like, remember this is 5 cucumbers worth. So I'm going to do about 5 tablespoons worth because this has got to cover all those cucumbers.
Mm-hmm.
I'm also putting in, since I'm vegan, I'm not going to use any like non-vegan products, or I can't use ones that are gluten as well. So I'm going to, I don't know what that's got to do with apple cider vinegar, but I think they said you could use this instead of the black sesame, not black sesame, black soy sauce. I don't know how much I just put in. Probably like 2 tablespoons. Let's try and get that garlic powder mixed up there. I'm going to also use some sesame oil.
Ooh.
This I'm going to measure because I don't want to put too much, but probably about 2 tablespoons. It's 5 cucumbers worth. Remember that.
I remember.
All right. I mean, some people would probably be like, oh, you could have put more.
You're never going to please everyone.
No. I'm not going to try. I'm probably not even going to please myself. Same thing with the soy sauce. I don't want it to be too salty because we got the salt on the cucumbers already. So I'm doing like 2 tablespoons of soy sauce.
Is that soy sauce or like tamari?
Tamari. I mean, tamari soy sauce.
I was just asking.
I don't have any fresh cilantro, so I'm going to use the rest of this cilantro paste. Well, maybe not the rest. Like, it's gonna squirt. You knew that was gonna happen. It's probably like a tablespoon. I have some of this Sichuan chili crisp, which is like a chili oil. I don't think this is gluten-free, but it's only gonna be a little bit, so it's not gonna bother me that much.
I hope you're right.
Plus, I don't want to use too much of this because it's hot. So I'm going to put some of the chili oil in. And I'm going to get down in there and dig out some of the stuff. Not too much because I don't want my face to go on fire. And I know this stuff's hot. It's hot! Let me switch spoons here so I can get all the stuff off the spoon. Oh, this is looking so good.
It's good.
Smells delicious. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of the allulose syrup in there. So like a tablespoon of sugar of your choice. And of course, sesame seeds. This is sesame seeds up to here. Down here, it's everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. I didn't have enough room in the cabinet, so I just threw the sesame seeds in there.
Sounds good to me.
I'm going to put like that much. Probably like 2 tablespoons.
It's for 5 cubes.
What, you forgot? Alright, we're going to get this mixed up.
That's looking good.
Yeah, right? This is going to taste so good. I wish I had some scallions to throw in there too. I've never seen anybody throw scallions in, but I feel like that would be really good.
Nice.
But we had stir fry last night and I used up all of my scallions on that. So let's give this a mix. We're going to put the lid on this with a little bit of room so that we can drain the water out. Did it give off water?
Yeah,
Yes.
I see some.
Yep. So I'm going to, don't look at that hair on my hand. We're going to get the water out. We're going to put the marinade on. We're going to stick this in the fridge until I go and get my son, and then you're going to taste this when I get back.
Okay.
All right. All right, this has been sitting in the fridge for what, about an hour?
Yeah, about, give or take.
All right, this is your portion.
Yeah, right? Sometimes I feel like I could eat a whole big bowl of cucumber like that.
I love it. I snuck a bite right after I mixed it up, and it was delicious. Let's see what you think.
All right.
It looks so fresh, and it smells even fresher.
Yeah, it looks really good. Smells so sesame-y.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like this would be phenomenal for a spring/summer
Yeah.
lunch with like a handful of rice noodles and some tofu and
Even with like little sandwiches or something. Like,
yeah.
oh my God.
Or
It's getting
top
me
off some
excited.
salad.
It's getting me so excited for summer.
I
Well, even
know.
spring. Spring and summer.
I'm just gonna go in with my filthy hands.
It's just so fresh. And I love the sesame. This one has a little bit of a kick too. Like yesterday's didn't have, you
No.
can put the chili oil. But I think the chili oil in there is
Chili
nice.
oil is nice. I like that.
Mm-hmm. Another layer.
And it's not too salty after putting all that salt on.
No.
My new favorite.
Very good.
This is gonna be on repeat all until like Christmas. They better have those cukes on sale all summer. Because
Very,
I'm gonna
very
be doing like 5 at a time.
Well,
Handing out jars for people.
yeah, like any sort of family gathering,
Oh yeah, this is it.
gotta have that.
This is it. Oh, I'm ready to dive into lunch right now.
I know,
And guess
get
what I'm
your lunch
having?
together.
This.
And other things.
Well, yeah, and some stir fry. But
That's a good combo.
it is a great combo.
So, thank you all so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed. We hope you give it a try.
Let us know what ingredients you put in yours.
Yeah. And until next time,
Much
much
love.
love.